Hello, dear students. Today, with the help of small activity, we are going to study an inertia. For that purpose, we took a one postcard and kept it on a glass, kept a 5 rupees coin on it, and skillfully pushed the car. We found that the coin straight away fell in the glass. What is inertia? Inertia is that property of a body by virtue of which the body is unable to change its state by itself in the absence of an external force. This inertia is of three types: inertia of a rest, inertia of a motion, and inertia of a direction. Let us study these all one by one. Inertia of rest. It is inability of the body to change its state of rest by itself, or the tendency of an object to remain in its existing state is called its inertia. And the examples are: a person standing in a bus falls backward when the bus suddenly starts moving. This is because the person who is initially at rest continues to be at rest even after the bus has started moving. A book laying on the table will remain at a rest until it is moved by some external agencies. When a carpet is beaten by a stick, the dust particles fall off vertically downward. Once they are released and do not move along the carpet and fall off. Inertia of a motion. Inertia of a motion is an inability of the body to change its state of motion by itself. First example: when passenger gets down from a moving bus, he falls down in the direction of the motion of the bus. Second example: a passenger sitting in a moving car fall forward when the car stops suddenly. Third example: an athlete running in the race will continue to run even after reaching the finishing point. Inertia of a direction. It is the inability of the body to change its direction of a motion by itself. When a bus moving along a straight line takes a turn to the right, the passengers are thrown toward the left. This is due to the inertia, which makes the passenger travel along the same straight line, even though the bus has turned toward the right. The inability of a body to change by itself its state of a rest or of uniform motion along a straight line or direction is known as inertia. The inertia of a body is directly proportional to the mass of the body.